Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to trim and cut video in Edit's Instagram app. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So we create a new project, click on the plus sign in the lower right corner, select any video and click the check mark in the upper right corner. Great, a new project has been created, and to trim the video clip we tap on it and it highlights in yellow. Now to trim a part of the video on the left side, hold your finger on the left edge of the clip where there is a black vertical stripe and pull this edge to the right side. As you can see, the seconds are decreasing, which means we are trimming the video clip. We do the same on the right side, hold your finger on the vertical stripe on the right and pull it to the left side. And to cut a part of the video clip, we use the split button for this. For example, we need to cut a part of the clip from the 5th second to the 10th. Move the playback cursor to the 5th second. The time counter of the video clip is perfectly visible at the top above the cursor. Next, click the split button and we've split the original video clip. Now we go to the 10th second and do the same thing. We have divided the video into 3 parts, each of which we can delete. Tap on any part of the video and select the delete option from the bottom of the ribbon. And this part of the video has been deleted. That's all. Now you know more.